Wow, what a transformation. It's a privilege here to be here at the opening this evening. Today we celebrate the rebirth of this section of the iconic Price Jones building. This project brings together public investment, experienced training, state-of-the-art facilities, and above all, the enthusiasm and inspiration of youth. The development is underpinned with £500 million worth of investment, good value to keep alive the town's textile legacy and provide a unique linkage of the design, technical and marketing aspects of a career in fashion. As been said in the introduction, the public investment comes from the Shared Prosperity Fund, a UK government fund that's provided £27 million worth of investment in Powys in the last 2 years, including £9 million supporting local businesses and £5 million supporting training initiatives.